Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. It's been a while since I've done a triptych, so I'm going to do one of those today. These I get from Michael's, and together they make basically 12 by 12. It is the deep canvases. So that's going to be basically this whole cup full of paint. All of my colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. I will list all of the materials down in the description, and some of these you'll see I'm pouring directly out of the bottles. That's just because I just mixed it directly in the bottle. All of them are definitely mixed with the Floetrol and water, in case anyone's wondering. So I'm basically using blues, purples, white, black, and then this is bronze. And I'm going to just layer those again. You can see some awesome cells forming in my cup. All right, I think that should be good. And you can do any of the acrylic pour techniques, but since this is 3 canvases, I'm gonna actually just do kind of ribbons here. And then what we can do is lift it up as if it was one canvas and just carefully tilt them all together. And so we get the continuous flow. I'm going to actually keep running it off in this direction for a bit. There we go. That is gorgeous. Now an important point is you don't want to leave them together like this. You want to separate them and make sure you get all the edges. And also if you don't separate them, well, they'll just basically end up sticking together, which you really don't want. All right. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that I get all my edges, and then we'll come back in and we will do our close-up. All right, guys, I made sure to get all my sides covered. You can see a bunch of cells have popped up. I love how this looks. It's like some exotic piece of stone. So we'll go ahead and we'll do our close-up here. So starting in the lower right-hand corner, and you can see that the paint's continuing on its own down the sides, which is really great. Looks amazing. Going up here to the top right corner, I love how we have some parts here that just have tons of cells, and then some parts that just have none. I think it's pretty much the perfect dichotomy. Over here, top left-hand corner, down to the bottom left-hand corner, and let's just go ahead and do the middle all by itself. There we go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time.